Hello, hi, how are you? Today in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 12th, 2020, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary puzzle. So today total of 5 Sudokus. So let's get started with the first one, Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, let's see, we have a 4 in the last column, a 4 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4, need to wait. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. And then yes, 7 in the third column, third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there, only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see, yes, alright. And now, can I do this with another digit? How about the 6 in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. These 3 numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And I see here the 2 and the 3, so no 2 and the 3 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, I mark them because 1 box is left now for this big square, the number 9. Then how about the number 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9, need to wait. How about this row, these 4 boxes, the missing numbers are the 2, the 3, the 5, and the 6. 2, 3, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 5, and 6. I see here the 3 and the 5, so no 3 and a 5 in these two boxes, so the 3 and the 5 should be in those two boxes in this row. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. The other two numbers are the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And now, 2 numbers left in the first column. The numbers are 3 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so in the second row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 5, and 6. 1, 5, 6. I see here 1 and a 5, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. Here we have the 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. Now we have a 6 here. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I remember the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. And 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column and next, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. Two numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8. 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 3. And the final number of this big square for the number 6. Yes, finish in 11 minutes. All right. For a Sudoku, 1 star, it's okay. Thumbs up if you like this video. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So thank you, and bye bye.